Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We've been seeing a pretty nice evening once all those storms started to move out of the area earlier today. This looking at right now on the 41 sky view overlooking downtown Dublin this evening. We're already starting to see a little bit of patchy fog developing. Now we saw the rainfall earlier, and places that saw the rain are more likely to see some of that fog heading into tomorrow morning. So just be aware that you might need to give yourself some extra time on the roads as you're heading out tomorrow. 70 degrees out there right now. Dew points are sitting in the upper 60s, so we got some pretty high humidity already. This is going to carry over into tomorrow as well, so be ready for a muggy day. It's also going to likely be our hottest day, but today we made it to 91 degrees, 66 where we started out the day, so we were just 2 degrees away from that record for this date, which is 93, set in 1902. The good news is, like I said, we have one more very hot day before we finally start to get a little bit of a cool down as we head into the weekend. So I say cool down, just back into the mid 80s. But for right now, we're sitting in those 60s, a 69 in Macon, 75 in Atlanta, and seeing 73 over in Jackson, Mississippi. A little bit cooler in the Great Plains. See 61 in Oklahoma City. They have been dealing with severe storms pretty much all evening. Still seeing some active tornado warnings out there for parts of the Great Plains. So we're going to keep watching this. This is actually the system that's going to be moving into our area by Friday, bringing us our next chance for some strong and severe storms. So it's something that we're watching pretty closely. But in general, for the rest of tonight, see, everything's really quieting down with that loss of the daytime heating. So we will see a few clouds hanging around into tomorrow morning. And like I said, that patchy fog as well. But in general, much of tomorrow is going to be all about the heat. We're going to see plenty of sunshine through the afternoon. That's when we start to see a few isolated showers kind of popping up just to the south of this warm front that's going to be hanging out in our area. Highs getting in to the low and maybe even close to some mid 90s in our southern counties. But it is going to be muggy as well. So you'll definitely be able to feel it. As we are heading into Friday, this is where we're watching that potential for some strong storms. Models aren't 100% agreeing on timing, but right now it does look like we are going to see these storms moving through with our daytime heating. So anytime after around 2 or 3, probably our best shot to see some of these thunderstorms moving through on Friday. It's also going to be our next chance to see some severe storms. So right now, level 2 threat just out to our west and northwest. This does include the metro Atlanta area. We will see that level 1 threat for most of middle Georgia. So stay weather aware on Friday. We're looking at all modes of severe weather possible. That means damaging winds possible, gusty winds, tornadoes, and large hail will all be possible on Friday. We're just going to have to watch it pretty closely. For tonight, though, no issues. Keeping some clouds around for this evening as we drop into the mid 60s. A closer look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. We get back into the 90s pretty early in the afternoon, and these scattered showers start popping up and hopefully can cool some of us down for tomorrow. But by Friday, we are going to be watching that next chance for showers and storms with some partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. In just 10 seconds, I'll have a look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Temperatures will be in the 90s for tomorrow. It's going to be our hottest day of the week, but after that, we'll see some cooling starting on Friday with those showers and storms, but Saturday and Sunday, you'll see a much drier and cooler air mass trying to push through. Sunday, highs getting up to 84 degrees with plenty of sunshine.